Very good morning to all of you. Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss the true false type questions of plus 2 class chemistry subject. So let's start from the first chapter, that is a coordination compound. The first true false, that is the oxidation state of a nickel in nickel CO4 is 0. So this is also a true statement because CO, that is a zero field ligand. The EDTA4 negative is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. This is also a true statement. Second, next one, FeCO5 is most stable because CO is weak field ligand. So this is a false statement because CO is a strong field ligand. Energy difference between the two set of d orbital is called Christoffel separating energy and denoted by delta node. This is also true statement. Next, FeCN6 3 नेगेटिव शो मैग्नेटिक मूवमेंट कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग टू 2 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो अगर देखा जाए इतने निकाल के एफ इन एक्स मनाया जाए CN -1 माइनस एक्स माइनस सिक्स एक्स माइनस सिक्स इक्वल टू -3. सो ये आ जाएगा साढ़े को +3 आ रहा. 3 अनपेड इलेक्ट्रॉन है. 2 इतने 2 लिखा हुआ. दिस इज ए फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट, चलेट कंप्लेक्स टेंड टू बी मोर स्टेबल. दिस इज ए ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट, निकल साइनाइड 4 2 negative is a square planar. This is also a true statement. Next, 2 nitrogen and 4 oxygen are donor atom in ethylene diamine tetraacetate. This is also true statement. The primary and secondary valency of copper in the complex CuNH3 4 SO4 are 2 and 4. This is also a true statement. The IUPAC name of platinum NH3 4Cl2 2 positive is tetraamine dichlorido platinum 4 ion. So this is the, क्योंकि amine ammonia zero field ligand Cl -1, so total 4 oxidation state है. So this is a true statement. ठीक है. Next, that is a chapter aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid. So aldehyde and ketone react with electrophile but not with the nucleophile. This is a false statement. Next, that is a Wolff-Kishner reduction of acetophenone give toluene. This is also a false statement. Next, that is a acetaldehyde can be reduced to ethane in presence of lithium aluminum hydride. This is also a false statement क्योंकि अल्कोहल बनेंगे. Acetaldehyde can be prepared by distillation of calcium acetate. This is also a false statement. Benzaldehyde cannot undergo Cannizzaro reaction. This is a true statement क्योंकि Cannizzaro reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ condition है कि having no alpha hydrogen. So benzaldehyde ਤੇ formaldehyde इदा ਦੇ molecule जिन्हां ਦੇ कोल alpha hydrogen नहीं हुंदी. Acetaldehyde are easily oxidized than ketone. This is a false statement. Benzaldehyde reduce Fehling solution. This is also false statement. false statement है क्योंकि अपने को एल्डिहाइड कल्ले होंगे ना कि एरोमेटिक. ठीक है. कीटोन गिव न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन मोर रेडिली. सो दिस इज फॉल्स क्योंकि एल्डिहाइड जोड़े है वो रेडिली दे देंगे. ठीक है. एसिटाल्डिहाइड cyanohydrone on hydrolysis give lactic acid. This is also a true statement. Benzaldehyde form addition product with sodium bisulfate but acetophenone does not. This is a true statement. Calcium formate on heating give acetaldehyde. This is also a false statement. The pKa value of a formic acid is smaller than that of acetic acid. This is a true statement. The carbon oxygen bond length in formic acid are equal. False statement. During the क्योंकि resonating structure formic acid ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ CO ਜਿਹੜੀ bond length है वो equal नहीं ਹੁੰਦੀ है. ठीक है, क्योंकि double bond character है. During the reaction of carboxylic acid with the sodium bicarbonate, that will the reaction will occur. So this is a true statement. So when benzoic acid is heated with the soda lime, benzene is formed. Also true statement. Acetate ion is a stronger acid than methoxide ion. This is a false statement because acetate ion that is a weaker base than methoxide ion because stronger acid has a weak conjugate base condition है. ठीक है. Next, methyl 3C CH2COOH is more acidic than methyl silicon CH2COOH. This is also a right statement, true statement. So formic acid give silver mirror test with Tollon result. This is also a true statement क्योंकि CHO group ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ. Methyl ketone are characterized by iodoform. This is also true statement. Two molecule of formaldehyde concentrated sodium hydroxide that will form alcohol CH3 आएगा इथे. CH3 and acid sodium salt of acid. This is a Cannizzaro reaction. True statement. Next, RCOC acyl chloride with reduction lead barium sulfate form aldehyde and HCl. This is a Rosenman reduction reaction. Next, the solution used to preserve biological species is formalin the 40% solution. This is also true statement. Aldehyde are more active than ketone. This is also true statement. Toluene reagent is not ammonical solution with silver nitrate. This is a false statement. Acetaldehyde give Cannizzaro reaction. This is a false statement क्योंकि Cannizzaro ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 9 अल्फा हाइड्रोजन चाहिए है, ਇਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ अल्फा हाइड्रोजन ਹੁੰਦੀ। Keto group is polar. This is a true statement. C double bond group is non planar. This is a false statement. planar भी हैगा ते polar भी हैगा, ठीक है। Carboxylic acid do not give characteristics reduction reaction of a carbonyl group. This is a true statement. Lower member of aldehyde are soluble in water. That is a true statement. Higher member of aldehyde are soluble in water. This is a false statement क्योंकि non polar part बढ़ जाता है, ठीक है। CH3COOH acetic acid can not reduce a Fehling solution. This is a true statement. Alkene are polar compound. False statement. Carbonyl compound are non-polar compound. This is a false statement क्योंकि polar है। Ketone are more active than aldehyde. This is a false statement है क्योंकि aldehyde ਜਿਹੜੇ reactive ज़्यादा ਹੁੰਦੇ हैं। Aromatic acid have planar benzene ring structure. It's a true statement. Formic acid give red PPT of Cu2O with Fehling solution. Also a true statement. Acetaldehyde gives silver mirror test with Toluene reagent. That is a true statement. Ethanol turns blue litmus into red. That is a false statement क्योंकि अल्कोहल है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट साढ़े कोल अल्कोहल फिनोल ईथर। सो फर्स्ट ट्रू फॉल्स है, फिनोल हैव हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट दैन टोलुइन। दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू स्टेटमेंट क्योंकि ये फिनोल की वो टेंडेंसी की हार्डन बॉन्डिंग शो करती, ठीक है। सेकेंड है विक्टर में टेस्ट यूज टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन अल्कोहल। दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू स्टेटमेंट। ईथर पोजेस डाइपोल मूवमेंट। दैट इज अ ट्रू स्टेटमेंट। बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ ईथर आर हायर दैन दैट ऑफ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग अल्कोहल। दैट इज ए फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट क्योंकि अल्कोहल की जी ज़्यादा होंगे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट। अल्कोहल्स आर मोर सोलूबल इन वाटर। अल्कोहल्स आर मोर सोलूबल इन वाटर दैन हाइड्रोकार्बन। सो दिस इज द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट। Phenol are acidic in nature. True statement. In the Reimer-Tiemer reaction, phenol is converted into salicylic. This is also a true statement, ठीक है। Phenol are more acidic in nature due to the resonance stabilization of phenoxide ion. Also a true statement. Ether are prepared by dehydration of alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid. Next is ether are prepared by dehydration of alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid at 413 Kelvin. This is also true statement. In the coupling reaction, orange dye is prepared. True statement. The reaction of diazonium salt with phenol and aromatic amine to form azo compound. This is called as a coupling reaction. Also a true statement. Ether are not chemically unreactive. This is a false statement. Ether are polar in nature. That is a true statement. Williamson synthesis reaction used to prepare ether. This is also true statement. Ether have low polarity than isomeric alcohols. This is a true statement. And ether have stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding than alcohol. Ether has stronger intermolecular hydrogen bonding than alcohol. This is a false statement. Next, ether are used as solvent. This is also a true statement. Phenol react with zinc. Phenol react with zinc dust to form benzene. This is also a true statement. Ether have an angular structure. That is also a true statement. In ether, the oxygen involve sp3 hybridization. That is a true statement. Next, alcohol have a higher boiling point than carboxylic acid. This is a false statement क्योंकि carboxylic acid ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ज़्यादा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है और मैग्नीट्यूड ज़्यादा इस करके दैट आर मोर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. Lucas reagent used to distinguish between primary secondary tertiary alcohol. This is also a true statement. Phenol can be more easily nitrated than benzene. This is also a true statement. So these are the most important true false type question regarding the board exam. So all the best to all the students and get good marks. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.